Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a story that reveals a completely different side of Kendall Jenner. While the world knows her as one of the most recognized supermodels, a reality TV star, and part of one of the most famous families in entertainment, Kendall has recently opened up about a dream that has little to do with runways or red carpets. Instead, she admits that her heart is pulling her towards something far simpler: designing homes and living a life away from constant cameras. In a recent interview, Kendall confessed that she sometimes feels the urge to stop everything, the modeling, the brand deals, and the public events, and dedicate her energy to home design. She was quoted saying, "I swear, I'm going to stop everything and just design homes. I'm not kidding." These words reveal how deeply she's been thinking about reshaping her life and following a passion that brings her peace. Kendall has always been a bit different from her sisters. While her siblings often embrace the spotlight, Kendall has described herself as more of a private person and even a homebody at times. She enjoys quiet mornings, lounging in sweatpants, and being able to live without the constant pressure of glamour and schedules. She admits that she often dreams about living a simple, more grounded lifestyle, one that feels normal to her. What makes this even more interesting is that Kendall isn't just talking about this casually. She's already started taking steps toward it. Reports say she's currently working on building a home out west, which is giving her the chance to put her design vision into reality. Those close to her know she's had a strong creative eye for interiors and has renovated her own properties before. Now, it seems like she's ready to take that passion even further. Part of her motivation comes from wanting more creative control. Modeling, as glamorous as it looks, often leaves little room for personal expression since models are expected to bring someone else's vision to life. But designing homes allows Kendall to take charge, from choosing layouts and materials to bringing her own aesthetic into the space. It's a different kind of creativity, one that she feels gives her freedom. Kendall also shared that while she thinks about her future a lot, she doesn't want to overplan. Life in the spotlight has taught her that things can change quickly, and she seems to prefer following her instincts instead of locking herself into one strict path. For now, her instinct is guiding her toward design and simplicity. It's worth noting that Kendall isn't the first celebrity to shift gears in this way. Many stars, after years of fast-paced careers, look for a quieter life where they can focus on passions that feel more personal. For Kendall, designing homes might not only bring her peace, but could also turn into a serious business venture, given her resources, taste, and influence. Whether she eventually leaves modeling behind or balances both worlds, one thing is clear: Kendall Jenner is not afraid to redefine herself. Her willingness to step away from the noise and follow her creative passions shows a maturity and independence that continues to set her apart. So, what do you think about Kendall's desire to trade in the runway for a simpler life of design and creativity? Could this be the beginning of a whole new chapter for her? Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more stories about your favorite stars.